Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. So today is Friday. I don't have class today and Seth is actually off today. So Seth and Bailey are home with me today and I'm going to be cleaning. So without further ado, let's get started. So my office is semi-clean. This bathroom is clean because we just ran into the wall, but this bathroom is clean because we never use it. And then for once in our life since we've lived here, this playroom is clean. That never happens. Bailey honestly hasn't played in here much, so all the mess is in the living room right now. But yeah, so the playroom's clean and yeah. Hi. Okay. I need to clean all of this stuff up in here, and then there's more stuff here, and it's kind of messy over there. And then we still have Christmas stuff that we need to put out, but it's kind of really messy in here. There's stuff all over the counters. Dishes need to be done, and we need to take the trash off, and then all these clothes need to be folded and put up, and then I also have a ton of laundry that needs to be done. So yeah, let's get started.
Triple A, credits alright. Hang up the phone and let your heart break. Only in LA, 24 twice. She's on the phone, but she's staying on Wilshire Boulevard. Old dreams dying hard. He wants you to return this love. Breathing in the dark, weightless, working hard. He wants you to return his love. Now he's bleeding, diamonds on you, but that ain't enough to turn the page. He's kneeling, wants to feel known, but he's not the one who pulls away. That ain't enough to turn the page. Leash is off, suit is on point. Won't cause a scene or stir up no clash. On second thought, Venice by fourth. She's on the job, but she's staying on Wilshire Boulevard. Old dreams dying hard. He wants you to return his love. Breathing in the dark, weightless, working hard. He wants you to return his love. Now he's bleeding, diamonds on you, but that ain't enough to turn the page. He's kneeling, wants to feel known, but he's not the one who pulls away. That ain't enough to turn the page. No, 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 no. That ain't enough to turn the page. He's not the one, babe. Oh, you got enough on your plate. Got enough on your plate. He's not the one, babe. No, you should've known it's too late. You should've known it's too late. Yeah, yeah, you should've known. That ain't enough to turn the page. He's kneeling, wants to feel known, but he's not the one who pulls away. That ain't enough to turn the page. That ain't enough to turn the page. Yeah.
So me and Bailey are right now about to head out. Seth went to take the trash off and went to go help his mom put some brakes on her car. So yeah, Daddy went to take the trash off. So me and Bailey are gonna head out because I have to go to work, and then you have to go to work. And then this evening we're going to finish cleaning and probably have a date tonight, me and Seth. So, we'll see you guys in a little bit. Say bye.
Bye.
Hi guys, so it is a lot later now. It's almost midnight. I went to work for most of the evening and then me and Seth went on a little date and went to Walmart. I'll show you guys a couple of things that we got at Walmart because we got Bailey a really cute outfit. We also got, I got a sweater that I'll show you guys, and then we got Seth a flannel to wear tomorrow because we are going to cut down a Christmas tree. And like I said, Bailey's asleep, so there will probably be a part 2 to this video where I clean the bedroom and bathroom in there. And for the rest of this video, I'm just going to be cleaning the living room and like this living area right here. I have some oversized comfy clothes on and I'm ready to just finish cleaning and then sit down and relax for a little bit before we have to go to bed because we have to go cut down a tree early in the morning. So I want to show you guys this really cute little outfit, and then I'll show you mine and Bailey's matching outfits for tomorrow. They're so cute. But we just got her this little sweatshirt and it says cool, cool, cool like daddy. So cute. And then the sweatpants and they say girl power down the leg of them. They're so cute, and then it kind of matches. So yeah, I think that's so cute. So I laid out our outfits for tomorrow. So me and Bailey have matching shirts, and then I'm wearing leggings and a sweater. You can't really see it because it blends in with the thing, but I have like a black sweater and then black leggings, and I'm wearing my Marley Lily boots, and then Bailey's wearing her little boots from Walmart. These are so cute. They're like $20, I believe. So yeah, and then Bailey's probably gonna wear jeans because we left her black leggings at Seth's mom's house. But yeah, so there's our little outfit. So I'm probably gonna clean around this, but I'm gonna get to cleaning all this stuff and then all this over here. So let's get started.
Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you're thinking. I don't really care about the music on the dance floor. I don't really mind all the smokers in the bathroom. I don't care at all, baby, you got my attention. So you were saying, oh no, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me. Another drink and I'll go anywhere. The way you smell, like a flash in the universe. You are illuminating. I don't really care about the people in the bar. Like, I don't really mind all the who goes doing stage dives. I don't care at all, baby, you got my attention. So you were saying, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me.